For those of you who have been looking forward to acquiring a US visa for a very long time, some have tried, they got it. Some also tried and they didn't. It is not the end of the world. Many of you have been looking forward to visiting the US one day. It is a dream of yours to one day come here, just like I did some years ago. Trust me, when you put in the effort, it usually pays off. So just be patient, provided you follow those way nail road, like we say in our pidgin parlance back home in Nigeria. So now in this video, I want to take you through a step-by-step process of applying for a US tourist visa. The B1, B2 visa, like you know, the B1 is for business and the B2 is for vacation, tourism, and other tourism related purposes. So a lot of you have reached out to me these past few months and have been requesting for this video. So this is the reason why, due to popular demand, I have decided to drop this street banger right here. And for those of you who are thinking it is not possible to apply for a visa by yourself and get it, wake up. I think you're sleeping. You have to face reality. Personally, for me, it wasn't a travel agent that filled my application form. It wasn't a travel agent that submitted my form. No. I can read, I can write. Why am I here? So if I can do it, you self can do it too. That is why in this very video today, I will be taking you through my computers, like you see behind me, on the step-by-step process of applying for this US B1, B2 visitor visa, or you can call it the tourist visa. So for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Nosa Comedy, the man with the remedy. Many of my fans call me Nosa from the source. You know why? That is because I bring legit, undiluted info from the source for free. Everything I do here, you don't have to pay nothing. Like you already know, I am not a travel agent. I don't do visas. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, you are missing a lot. Subscribe to this channel. A lot is happening here. Right here, we're keeping it real. And also, don't forget, give this video a big fat thumbs up. That is the like, so that YouTube can recommend this video to others. And also, click the notification bell on my channel, so that whenever I drop this straight out of banger, you get to be notified sharply ASAP. So now, if knowing how to apply for a visitor visa for US is something you really want, be ready to ride with us. So let's head towards my computer. Welcome to my computer. I am using Google Chrome here, and I will be taking you to the official US Embassy websites where people can apply or are applying for different types of US visas. So for the purpose of this video, this is for the B1, B2 US non-immigrant visa. You can call it the tourist visa. You can also call it the visitor visa, the US tourist visa or the US visitor visa. The B1 is for business, for those that are traveling to the US for business purposes. And the B2 is for tourism and vacation purpose and the likes. So now, let me take you there. So as you can see, it already popped up because I went through it earlier, and it is called state.gov. Don't worry writing it down. The link to this website will be in the description section of this video. So let's go there. Now, this is it. This is the website where people are getting their visas. So now you can see countries and areas. This is where all the countries are. So you can see They are listed here alphabetically. So I am using Nigeria as a case study in this video. So if, let's say, you are from Angola, you can see Angola is there. All the countries are here. You can see. So if you are from Benin Republic, you can see Benin. You can see Botswana, Burundi. If you are from Cameroon, you see Cameroon. If you are from Ghana, you are from Ghana, you can see Ghana. This is Ghana. So let's go to Nigeria. I don't want this video to be too long. So you can see we are right here, Nigeria. So we click Nigeria. So if you are from Ghana, click Ghana. Whatever country you are from, just click it. So you can see our flag here, Nigerian flag. So now I'll be clicking on embassies and consulates. You see it here. So I have clicked that. So just click that now. So you see where we are. So now you come here. So which of the visas do I need? So so I need what? I need a US visa. You can see I need a US visa. So now I don't want to waste time. So you make sure you read all this. It's very, very important to equip you. So now visa types, tourism and visits. I just clicked that. Now we are here. So visitor visa B, you can see, for vacation, seeing family and friends, or medical treatment. So here, you just come here. How to apply, you click. So you see, it just opened. So how to apply, you can see. So visitor visa overview. Generally, a citizen of a foreign country who wishes to enter the United States must first obtain a visa, either a non-immigrant visa for temporary stay or an immigrant visa for permanent residence. Visitor visas are non-immigrant visas for persons who want to enter the United States temporarily for business. So for business, visa category B1 is for business. For tourism, visa category B2 is for tourism, or for a combination of both purposes. So you can get B1, B2. So these are the visas here. So that's the B1, what is for. So I don't want to bore you with all this, so you can read it for yourselves. So this is the B2. This is what you can use this B2 for. So see it's the tourism. So now, here, please, if you go into this website, make sure you read everything well for yourselves. It is very, very important. He said, how to apply. There are several steps to apply for a visa. The order of these steps and how you complete them may vary by US embassy or consulate. Please consult the instructions on the US embassy or consulate website. So I don't want this video to be too long. So just go through here and see the steps. You understand? So it is very, very important. But the most important thing here is you can see this form DS-160. So I have just clicked. Yes, this is the form. I remember my time when I applied. Whoa. So this form, you are going to print out this form to get familiar with it before you eventually pay the application fee and submit. Yes, you heard what I said. Once you are familiar with this form, then you complete the DS-160 form, pay the application fee, then you schedule your appointment. You can see here where this my cursor is, you know. So my phone is on a tripod. So for those of you, you can go in there, read this thing for yourself. So but let me just read here for you. You can see here. It said the first step in applying for a US non-immigrant visa is to complete your application. It takes approximately 90 minutes to do this. After you submit your application, you can move on to the next steps, such as scheduling your interview. So once you fill this application, pay the fee, submit, then you schedule your interview. That's all. Now we now move to the next step. The next step will not be for you to gather your documents or gather the documents you will be bringing with you to your appointment or to the interview, if you will. Because on that very day, you are going to be asked questions and documents are needed to back your answers up. So I have done a video some days ago on the documents you need to bring with you to a US visa interview. But it is also very, very important for you to also do your due diligence. Like I stated earlier, the link to this website will be in the description section of this video. Make sure you go through that website. Go through the requirements again. If anything is missing there, add it to it. It is open. It is not a secret. Whatever is needed to apply for this visa, they are right there. Take your time to go through the websites and get yourself familiar with it. Every information on that website is very, very important, especially if it falls under the visa you are applying for. But for the purpose of clarity, this video is mainly for the US B1, B2 visa. So, after bringing your document with you to the embassy, the next step will not be for you to convince the visa officer that you are really coming to the US for the purpose you are applying for that visa, and you will return to your country after your visit to the US. Beside your documents, you will have to verbally convince this visa officer. So I have done videos on this. So just go to my channel, you will see those videos there. And like I said earlier in my videos, confidence is very, very important in a visa interview. So these are the steps to apply for a US B1, B2 visitor visa or tourist visa, like many of you may want to call it. So I believe I have done justice to this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys get these visas. And also don't fail to reach out to me when you get this visa so that we can celebrate together. I am here rooting for you guys, and I'm hoping these visas will be granted to you. So please, if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you do so, because right here a lot is happening. So guys, till I see you in my next video, keep winning. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do it.